Hi everyone, thank you for inviting me to speak at IWBDA 2016. I would first like to thank the selection committee and the award committee that awarded me the Allan Kuchinsky Scholarship last year. And as an immigrant, as a non-tenure track researcher, and as somebody who does research that's not mainstream CS research, this award helped me highlight the importance of my work to outsiders. So thank you for giving me the award. I didn't really know Allan Kuchinsky myself personally, but when he was going through his treatments, I got to know him a little bit better over email, I remember how he would be very excited to talk about the pathways that the drugs that he was getting were attacking, and I think that was a testament to his strength and his courage and also his sense of humor. And I know that that inspired me, and it continues to inspire a lot of other people as well. So I'm particularly delighted to announce that Dr. Nicholas Roehner is the recipient of the 2016 IWBDA's Allan Kuchinsky Scholarship. And I want to congratulate Nick on this achievement. Nick graduated with a doctoral degree from Chris Meyer's group at the University of Utah in the Department of Bioengineering. And he's now a postdoc in Doug Densmore's lab at Boston University. So I'd just quickly like to highlight some of the things that Nick's worked on. His doctoral dissertation was in the area of genetic design mapping. So in his work, he came up with an algorithm that takes an abstract spec of a genetic design, and then along with the models for a library of parts, it maps these parts to the spec to get a concrete design. And that work was published in the ACS Synthetic Biology Journal. Then in his postdoctoral work, he came up with a really nice tool for the design of experiments. Here the idea is that you can design a subfactorial experiment using statistical design approaches, and what the software tool does is it takes these constraints, then it clusters the library of components, then assigns them to the experiment, and then spits out a whole plan for an experiment. The tool has it takes into account many other practical constraints, and that's what makes it useful at the Broad Foundry. And then more recently, Nick's been working on things that extend my own work in the area of combinatorial design. So combinatorial design space is essentially a data structure that describes designs via constraints. And what Nick's done is extended this work and built a Git-like repository for version control of genetic design spaces. So be sure to listen to his talk at IWBDA. I'm sure he's going to give a fantastic talk describing this work in detail. So I'm sure, in summary, that Nick's work has been quite significant and impactful, and I'm really excited and curious to see what comes next from him. I want to wish him all the best in all his endeavors, and I want to congratulate him again for this wonderful achievement. So enjoy IWBDA, and we'll talk again. Bye.